first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with CADCOM Lab and make your AutoCAD 2D 3Ds Max dreams come true. Download the app now.
फिर होच पोच हो जाती है, समझ में नहीं आता, इसीलिए आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट में इसीलिए कॉल आउट्स को यूज़ करा गया है, डिटेल कॉल आउट को यूज़ करा जाता है ताकि आप उनको मार्क करके अलग सेपरेटली शो करा सकें सिस्टमेटिक वे।
For all the floors.
For all the floors, right. So in flooring layout, we will mention all material details of every rooms like bedroom, room, kitchen, drawing room, and study room, flooring materials, frames. So the point is, we should know about the different types of materials, that what kind of materials are available in the market. So this point is very important. So any idea?
No.
Okay. So types of material. There are so many types of material in the market, like flooring, like granite, green marble. We can also use ceramic tiles,
Okay.
wooden flooring in interior design and bedroom. Also, we use the wooden flooring.
Okay. Okay.
Also, quota stone flooring.
Sir, 1 minute. I'll come back. Hello? Hello?
Spider. If you wanna mention in bedroom wall, yeah, in washroom, yeah, in bedroom, so every texture we will mention on the basis of company's partner.
Okay.
Okay, so I will send you. You can see here, like office tiles, detail, flooring details, wall, big roof, right?
Okay.
Different types of marble. Also, we can mention like bathroom tiles, bathroom wall tile, wooden, and we will use paint catalog. We cannot mention any wall paint
Okay.
without and code, without any code and image.
Okay.
And also it's very important for interior and for architecture.
Okay.
Right. So I will forward you complete catalog.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in wooden material, HDHMR. Any idea what is HDHMR and MDF?
No.
HDHMR versus MDF. Only of interior. Zero. And MDF is a board used for furniture designing.
Okay.
In kitchen design, furniture design, in office furniture, that TV cabinet.
Okay.
So mostly we use the HDSMR board and FDF board,
Mm-mm.
right?
Okay.
Also we use the charcoal sheet.
Okay.
Mostly we use charcoal sheets in interior
Mm.
to decor a wall.
Okay.
There are so different types of components. This is wooden section of the elevation.
Okay.
HPL cladding. This is called the HPL cladding. High
Okay.
pressure laminate. It
Okay.
is mostly to uh, external wall of the exterior.
Okay.
So also we use the catalog of the exterior material like
Um,
charcoal louvers. Mostly we use on bedroom wall, drawing room
mm.
wall,
Oh.
and we will inform every detail on the basis of catalog, like
Okay.
size, height, and width of the charcoal louvers. Where you can
Mm.
see the different types of patterns mostly we use for decor wall, like with name.
Okay.
You can see the bedroom wall with charcoal louver, fifth room. Also, we can use charcoal louvers in offices.
Oh.
Mostly we use, right.
Okay.
There are so many types of material. Like you can see here different type of patterns, laminates.
This is laminates or wallpaper?
No, no, it's not a wallpaper. It's a laminate.
Okay.
Charcoal louvers and laminate. You can see that both materials are similar.
Okay.
Charcoal in charcoal sheet
Mm.
limited patterns,
Mm.
and in laminate there are so many types that are colors are available in the market.
Oh.
These materials are used in interior. Mostly we use charcoal sheet and laminate and wooden plank, louvers. These are common material mostly we use in interior, right? So I will forward you complete
Oh.
of the materials.
Oh.
Same in exterior, we use HPL cladding, stone cladding, right?
Mm. Mm.
So on basis of materials, we will create a flooring layout. So in flooring layout, the first point is first make a copy of the ground floor and remove all objects like inner dimensions, inner blocks, same one washroom area. We will delete all extra block, living room, same again.
Mm.
After that, we will close the room so that we can mention leaf pattern
Okay.
like same puja room. We will use a different material in puja room. We will use a different flooring in that room,
Mm.
lobby area. Okay. So categorize wise you can define. Then decide that which types of material you want to use in your interior. Like in bedroom, we will use Korean marble flooring.
Okay.
In bathroom, we can search like bathroom material tiles, the bedroom, Italian marble. Okay. So first of all, we will
No.
create
Mm.
tags like control